Today, Miss Eggplant is running around the kitchen. "I've lost my crown!" she exclaims. She looks inside the cookie tin and catches Miss Carrot having a sneaky snack. "I was just, tasting them." She looks under the sugar bowl and spills sugar on Mr. Potato, who is snoozing beside it. Sweet. She lifts the bread, and poor Mrs. Broccoli rolls off and lands on the counter. "What are you up to, Miss Eggplant?" asks Miss Broccoli, brushing herself off. "I've lost my crown," Miss Eggplant says, looking flustered. "Well, why didn't you just say so? We will all help you to find it, my dear." So the veggies are searching all around when they hear something. Crash! What must it be? And there they find Mr. Onion wearing Miss Eggplant's crown. "It's too big for you, Mr. Onion." Oh, how they all laugh at the sight of it.